everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Lab.
Where English learning becomes smart and simple.
Hello and welcome to English Talk Lab, the place where English learning becomes smart, simple, and actually enjoyable.
That's right. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Emma, and if you're here for the very first time, welcome. We are so glad you found us.
And if you've been with us before, welcome back. It always feels good to see you here again.
Now, before we dive into today's practice, we want to take just a moment to tell you something important, something that could change the way you learn English forever.
So stay with us for just a minute. Trust me, it's worth it.
What you're watching right now is day 1 of our Shadowing English Speaking Challenge, a special series we've created just for you, right here on English Talk Lab.
This isn't just any English course. This is a challenge, a real daily commitment to your English speaking, listening, and pronunciation, all at the same time.
Every single day, you'll come back here, press play, and practice with us, Emma and Ethan, your 2 English companions.
Each day builds on the last. The sentences get a little longer, the practice gets a little deeper, and you get a little better every single day.
So whether you're a complete beginner or someone who understands English but struggles to speak, this challenge is made for you.
And the best part, you don't need a classroom. You don't need expensive courses. You just need your voice, your ears, and a few minutes of your day.
So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and join us every day for this challenge, because we will be here, and we want you to be here too.
Now, let's talk about something really important. Why shadowing? Why is it one of the most powerful ways to improve your English?
Great question, Ethan. And the answer is actually quite simple.
When most people learn English, they study grammar rules, they memorize vocabulary lists, they read textbooks, and yet, when someone speaks to them in English, they freeze. Nothing comes out.
Sound familiar? That's because studying English and speaking English are 2 completely different things.
Shadowing is the bridge between the two.
Here's how it works. You listen to a sentence, then you repeat it out loud, copying the sounds, the rhythm, the natural flow of the words, just like an echo.
You're not just hearing English, you're feeling it. You're training your mouth, your tongue, your breath to move the way English moves.
And the more you do it, the more natural it starts to feel. The words begin to come out faster, more confidently, more fluently.
It's the same method used by language learners all over the world. And today, right now, you're going to experience it for yourself.
So, here's what we need from you before we start. Just one small thing.
Promise us, promise yourself that you will speak out loud during this practice. Not in your head, not silently, out loud, with your real voice.
Even if it feels a little strange at first, even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, that's completely okay. Actually, that's the whole point.
Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every time you get something wrong, your brain is learning to get it right.
So, can you make that promise to speak out loud with us today?
I knew you could. Let's get started.
All right, here's how this works. Very simple.
I'll say a sentence, you listen carefully, then Emma will guide you to repeat it. There will be a short pause, and that pause is your moment, your time to speak.
Watch the subtitles on your screen. The keywords will be highlighted to help you. And remember, speak clearly, speak slowly, and speak with confidence.
We'll start with 10 short, simple sentences. Then we'll move to slightly longer ones, and we'll finish strong with 10 more powerful sentences.
30 sentences in total. You ready? Let's begin.
Set 1. Short and simple. Let's warm up those English muscles.
Sentence 1. I am learning English.
Beautiful! Say it again.
I am learning English.
Sentence 2. I am not afraid to make mistakes.
That's it. Again. I am not afraid to make mistakes. One more time. I am not afraid to make mistakes.
Sentence 3. I understand more each day.
Yes, keep going. I understand more each day.
Sentence 4. I feel proud of my progress.
Wonderful. Again, I feel proud of my progress.
Sentence 5. I enjoy English.
Great energy. Say it again. I enjoy English.
Sentence 6. I listen carefully.
Short, strong. Say it again. I listen carefully.
Sentence 7. I speak slowly and clearly.
Excellent. Again, I speak slowly and clearly.
Sentence 8. I try every day.
Yes, every day. Say it again. I try every day.
Sentence 9. I believe in myself.
Say it like you mean it. I believe in myself.
Sentence 10. I trust my journey even if it's slow.
Beautiful. Feel those words. Say it again. I trust my journey, even if it's slow.
One more time. I trust my journey even if it's slow.
Hooray! That was set 1. 10 sentences, and you just completed them. Give yourself a real moment of appreciation. You showed up, you spoke out loud. That already puts you ahead. And now we move to set 2. The sentences are a little longer now, a little richer, but you can handle it. I know you can.
Take a breath, relax your shoulders, and let's keep going. Set 2, slightly longer, a little more to think about. Let's go.
Sentence 11. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. That's a powerful sentence. Say it again. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow.
Sentence 12. I am not giving up. I am growing.
Yes, again, feel it. I am not giving up. I am growing.
Sentence 13. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow.
Lovely. Say it again. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow. One more time. My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow.
Sentence 14. I speak English to express, not to be perfect.
That one is so important. Again, I speak English to express, not to be perfect.
Sentence 15. I am building my confidence one word at a time.
One word at a time. That's it. Say it again. I am building my confidence one word at a time.
Sentence 16. I am getting better with every practice.
Every single practice. Say it again. I am getting better with every practice.
Sentence 17. I can understand more than I think.
Yes, you can. Say it again. I can understand more than I think.
Sentence 18. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster.
That's exactly what you're doing right now. Again, speaking out loud helps me improve faster.
Sentence 19. I show up even when it feels hard.
And you are showing up right now. Say it again. I show up even when it feels hard.
Sentence 20. Every mistake helps me learn something new.
Every single one. Say it again. Every mistake helps me learn something new.
One more time. Every mistake helps me learn something new.
20 sentences done. That is incredible. Seriously, you should feel really good right now.
We mean it. Most people quit before they even start. But you're still here. You're still speaking. That says a lot about who you are.
Take a sip of water if you need to. Stretch a little. And when you're ready, let's finish strong with the final 10 sentences.
Set 3. The most powerful sentences of today's challenge. Let's do this together.
Set 3. Powerful. Confident. Let's finish strong. Sentence 21. Every day, I am becoming more confident in English.
Every day, just like today. Say it again. Every day, I am becoming more confident in English.
Sentence 22. Speaking English clearly is something I can do.
Yes, you absolutely can. Say it again. Speaking English clearly is something I can do.
Sentence 23. I am proud of my progress, even if it's small. Small steps still move you forward. Again, I am proud of my progress, even if it's small.
Sentence 24. English is not hard. It's just new.
I love that one. Say it again. English is not hard. It's just new.
Sentence 25. I learn something new every time I try.
Every single time. Again, I learn something new every time I try.
Sentence 26. I am building strong English habits today.
Today, right now. Say it again. I am building strong English habits today.
Sentence 27. My English gets better with every word I say.
Every word, including these ones. Again, my English gets better with every word I say.
Sentence 28. Even small practice makes a big difference.
Small but powerful. Say it again. Even small practice makes a big difference.
Sentence 29. I am patient with myself and my progress.
Patient, kind to yourself. Again, I am patient with myself and my progress.
Sentence 30, the final sentence. This is just the beginning of my English success.
One more time. Say it like you believe it. This is just the beginning of my English success.
Last time, make it count. This is just the beginning of my English success.
And that is 30 sentences. You did it.
You actually did it. Day 1 of your Shadowing English Speaking Challenge complete.
You came here, you pressed play, you spoke out loud, and you finished. Do you know how many people never even start? but you did, and that matters more than you know.
Remember, it's not about how perfect you sound. It's about how often you show up. 5 minutes every day will take you further than 1 hour once a week. That's the truth.
So here's what we want you to do. Come back tomorrow for day 2. The sentences will be a little different, the practice will go a little deeper, and you'll keep growing, one day at a time.
And if you want to practice today's sentences again, just press replay. You can do this as many times as you like. Every repeat makes you stronger.
If you enjoyed today's challenge, please give this video a like. It helps more English learners find us, and it means the world to us.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button and join the English Talk Lab family. We'd love to have you with us every single day.
This is just day 1. Your English journey is just beginning, and we are so proud of you.
We'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Until then, keep speaking,
keep growing, and never, ever give up.